YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video, and I don't think I have done many sci-fi themed tutorials on this channel. So this could be one of the few, if not the first. I'm not entirely sure, but as you guys can see right here, we have this super cool profile, game HUD profile thingy. Oops. Sci-fi themed. I like this a lot because it has the ranks, it has the text rank, name, the rank title, it has gold, silver, bronze, as the avatar icon. So I think this is super cool. If you're making like a sci-fi roleplay game, you can have this in the corner on your screen like that. That would look super sick. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how to make this super quickly. And yeah, without further ado, let's hop right into it. First things first, make a new layer. And just go to my shape tool, click and hold. Let's go to polygon tool. And right here for sides, obviously let's go for 6. And we're just going to click anywhere, click and hold shift and alt. Drag this out like that. Let's go for this kind of size. Alright, I'm gonna change the color real quick. So let's zoom in, double click here. Let's open the color panel. Let's click on this color right here. Hopefully that's good. Not really. I don't like that. Let's zoom in a bit more. Let's grab this dark shade. Ooh, there we go. Slightly darker. Okay, this is cool. All right, now with this, these colors are a bit. What's it called? There's effects on this UI to display it, so we gotta kind of adjust some things ourselves. But there's the outline color, so we're just gonna do this. So this is outline. We will do some effects later, not right now, but this is fine so far. Let's copy this, so Control J. I'm gonna do Control T to bring up free transform, and let's scale this down. Holding shift and alt to make sure it is proportional, like this. I'm gonna take the FX icon right here on this layer, right here. I know you guys can't see it, but I'm showing you. It's right here. Take this, drag this to the trash can, and let go. This will remove the effects. I'm gonna go back to my shape tool. I'm gonna go up here, turn fill off. Let's turn stroke on. Let's hit this white, and alright, so let's increase the size to 20. Let's try 20. Alright, so let's go align to the inside. Alright, for the caps, let's go make sure these are sharp. Okay, 20 should be good, or 25 actually. Let's go 25. It's nice. Alright, this is looking great so far. Let's double click. Let's choose on this orange color. Alright, actually we can't. We don't go to blending options here. Let's go for a nice color overlay. Describe. Let's take this orange color and let's go for inner shadow. Okay. Let's change this color to white. My mode is overlay. Right here, turn choke up, distance down. It's nice little inside overlay thing, you can see. Now let's go for a bevel and emboss. Okay. Make sure to check out our store at gfxcomment.com. We have free templates, free graphics packs, as well as user interface and much more you can check out at our store. Thank you for all of your support. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So chisel, smooth for now. Adjust the size. Alright, this is super cool. I like this right here. It's not exactly the same as the example, but we're just gonna go with it all the way. Alright, I'm gonna go inner shadow. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep playing around with this. until I get something like. So bear with me, I'm not 100% certain of everything yet. Okay, this is cool. Love this. Alright, I think this is good enough. Let's go for a slight drop shadow. How about that? So you can barely see it, but let's add it anyways. 5. Okay. Alright, so that looks great to me. So if you ask me, this looks great. Look at that. Alright, so we could copy this first layer actually. Put this in here. It actually looks really nice. We could take off the effects actually. Okay, anyways. Alright, so I'm just gonna pop in my render right here. I'm just gonna right click and hit create color mask. Okay, this looks nice. Just put this right here. I'm gonna make this a bit more thick. Let's go with 30. Okay, it's better. Alright, so let's move this right here. Okay, now let's make a new layer. We're gonna go pencil, shape, fill, white, stroke off. Let's click here. Let's go hold shift, click here, down here, click here, here, hold shift, click up. There we go. Really simple. Control T to enlarge this entire thing, by the way. So we can place this right here behind. As you can see. Let's move things like this so we could actually adjust it. Okay, anyways. Alright, this shape. Let's double click. Change the color right here. So this color. Oops, I like this color. Okay. Let's right click and hit blend. Let's right click blending options. Let's add a stroke. This blue will do just fine for now. Let's go ahead and do an outer glow. Alright. Now you won't actually use an outer glow in the actual UI because this is not practical, but it looks cool for just display, so I'm gonna add this outer glow. Alright, looks cool. Alright, now new layer. We're gonna repeat the same thing, this time for the inside. So click here, click down, click here, should be fine. Make sure you get the angle right, obviously. And just right here. Very simply, take the color again. This time, perhaps a bit darker. And right click, copy layer style, and right click paste. So now we got this. We could remove the outer glow, so drag this to the trash can. Don't need that. And this thing could be not as strong as like this. Alright, if you guys want really cool sci-fi UI, let's make a new layer. Right click and hit mask. Let's take a brush tool. Color is black, and we could go ahead and paint some gradients. The same thing for the back here. New layer, clip. Let's hit some gradients here. As you can see, it looks pretty cool to me. Now for this little rank thing, here's what we're gonna do. We're making a new layer. We're making a new layer. Underneath, let's take our pencil, and we're just going to go here. Let's go up. Alright, around. So we got this. Let's make the color into a nice blue. And here you can just add some text. Level 15. So yeah, that is pretty much it. if you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe. I promise that rendering videos will be coming soon, but for now, these UI tutorials and icon videos seem to be fun to make. We are uploading daily, so yeah, expect a lot more videos coming soon. Subscribe, stay tuned, share this video with anybody that you think this could help. And with all that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.